Hello, my name is Jeff Moore, and I'm an Associate Personnel Analyst in the
Human Resource Services branch
at the California Department of Social Services. At CDSS, we're focused on helping those most in need, strengthening communities, and ensuring that everyone can reach their highest level of health and potential for a successful life. Our team in Human Resources partners with employees, managers, and supervisors to hire, develop, and maintain the best workforce in state service. I work in the Classification and Certification Unit, which is focused on California state and federal law and the execution of merit-based hiring practices that promote diversity, equity, and inclusion in our workforce. Come for the mission of administering programs for California's most vulnerable residents and grow your career while transforming lives. CDSS offers technical and administrative career paths, ongoing training, and growth opportunities within our varied programs. You'll find contact information following this video. Are you ready for a new challenge? And to make a difference, consider joining us at the California Department of Social Services.